Okay, so actually, I should have went straight down Atlantic, all the way down here. It's a dark underpass, but it's a lot of people, so it's okay. And lately, it's been getting dark early, so be mindful when you enter October, the month of October. This is what can happen. I probably should make another trip and do a full walk around down here. Okay, so on the left here, you can see the ferry coming in, and I did not buy my ticket, so I hope I can buy my ticket on the ferry.